Floyd Mayweather's crazy monthly expenses $1 million per month. You're looking at a man who spends more money in 1 month than most people earn in a lifetime. Floyd Money Mayweather doesn't just live lavishly, he's redefined what it means to be wealthy. Today, we're breaking down how Floyd burns through over $1 million every single month. And trust me, by the end of this video, your jaw will be on the floor. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Floyd's legendary car collection. This isn't just a garage, it's a rolling museum worth over $15 million. Floyd owns more than 100 luxury vehicles, and here's the kicker. He pays somewhere between $50,000 to $100,000 per month just on maintenance, insurance, and storage for these bad boys. We're talking Bugattis, Ferraris, Rolls-Royces, and Lamborghinis, many in his signature all-white or all-black color schemes, but it gets better. Floyd doesn't drive most of these cars. They're literally investments sitting in climate-controlled garages. Some have never even hit public roads. And remember, Floyd's famous for buying cars in cash. He walked into a dealership and dropped $3.5 million on 3 Bugattis in one day. That's not monthly spending, but it shows you the mindset we're dealing with here. Now let's talk about the bling. Floyd didn't earn the nickname money for nothing. His jewelry collection is estimated at over $40 million, and he's constantly adding to it. We're talking monthly purchases that easily hit 6 figures. Floyd has been known to spend $500,000 on a single watch shopping trip, and that's just a Tuesday for him. He owns multiple watches worth over $1 million each, including a billionaire watch encrusted with 260 carats of emerald-cut diamonds that cost $18 million. Even if he's not buying a new piece every month, the insurance on his jewelry collection alone runs him an estimated $30,000 to $50,000 monthly. And here's the wild part. Floyd has posted videos of himself literally traveling with duffel bags full of jewelry. The man wears more money on his wrist than most people have in their retirement accounts. # You didn't think Floyd was flying commercial, did you? Floyd owns not one, but two private jets. His Gulfstream G650 is nicknamed Air Mayweather and cost him $50 million. The operating costs on a jet like this. We're talking about $200,000 to $300,000 per month when you factor in fuel, crew salaries, hangar fees, maintenance, and insurance. Floyd doesn't just use these jets for business either. He's flown to Paris for a day of shopping, to Tokyo for dinner, and back to Vegas all in 48 hours. The man treats international travel like most of us treat driving to the grocery store. He's been known to charter additional flights when his planes are in use, dropping $100,000 on a single trip without blinking. When you're Floyd Mayweather, convenience isn't expensive, it's priceless. # Floyd's real estate portfolio is equally insane. He owns multiple mansions, including a $10 million Las Vegas estate and an $18 million Miami Beach mansion with 11 bedrooms. The monthly costs: property taxes, utilities, landscaping, security, and maintenance easily run $100,000 to $150,000 across all his properties. His Vegas home alone has a 20-car garage, a movie theater, and a wine cellar that needs constant climate control. But here's where it really adds up. Staff. Floyd employs a full-time security team, personal chefs, housekeepers, personal assistants, trainers, and more. Industry estimates suggest he is paying $150,000 to $200,000 monthly just in salaries for his entourage and household staff. The man doesn't cook his own meals, doesn't drive himself around, and certainly doesn't mow his own lawn. Everything is handled at a premium price. # Now let's talk about the day-to-day lifestyle expenses that would bankrupt most millionaires. Floyd regularly spends $50,000 to $100,000 on shopping sprees. Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, he buys entire collections at once. His daughter once posted that he gave her $100,000 just to go shopping for a day. Nightclub appearances. Floyd's been known to drop $200,000 to $300,000 in a single night, buying bottles for everyone and making it rain with cash. Entertainment, travel, fine dining, and personal expenses easily add another $200,000 to his monthly burn rate. He's also known for his generosity with his inner circle, regularly giving away Rolex watches and luxury cars as gifts. When you're making money the way Floyd has over $1 billion in career earnings, spreading the wealth is just part of the lifestyle. So let's add it up. Between cars, jewelry, jets, real estate, staff, and lifestyle expenses, Floyd Mayweather is easily spending $1 million to $1.5 million every single month. That's $12 to $18 million per year just to maintain his lifestyle. But here's the thing, Floyd can afford it. With smart investments, promotional deals, and his legendary boxing career, he's built a fortune that generates passive income to support this lifestyle. Love him or hate him, Floyd Mayweather lives by his own rules. He's not just rich, he's money. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more content on how the ultra-wealthy live. Drop a comment below. Would you live like Floyd if you could, or is this too much? Let me know. Until next time, stay motivated.